Architecture, nature, culture. These three aspects is what inspires me to travel. The beauty and grandeur of architecture reminds me that it is more than just a shelter, but can be about image, expression, and innovation. Nature lets me appreciate how beautiful and unique God's creation is. And culture helps me learn and appreciate different perspectives of life. My aim is to traverse to these unique and beautiful places while taking you with me, and hopefully, we get to learn and appreciate life one destination at a time.